In addition to the fantastic results achieved with spraying MDC's LiquaPearl, it can also be brushed, allowing LiquaPearl a great range of desired looks. Brush application requires a standard roller setup with a 1/2-inch nap roller cover and a 3-inch bristle brush. You can use a variety of different brush sizes depending on the effect you want to achieve. Start off with a suitable primer that is close to the finished color and make sure your existing surface is free from imperfections. Mix paint with a mixing stick and be sure to strain the paint. With a semi-loaded roller, apply LiquaPearl to a manageable working area, roughly 9 square feet. The importance being that the paint is still wet during the brushing step. Now with the brush, use random brush strokes, blending away all roller texture. Don't pay too much attention to creating a brush design on the first coat. That is to be achieved on the second coat. Do the same process on the next area. Remember that blending wet LiquaPearl into an area that has dried is what you want. Avoid blending wet into an area that is tacking up. Repeat until entire area is coated. Now wait for all paint to completely dry, which should take about an hour. The second step is just like the first. Roll the paint into manageable 9 square foot sections, but now take the brush and create any desired look, ranging from swirls, circles, waves, and different patterns. The application is entirely up to you. Remember, LiquaPearl brushed is a 2-step process. First rolling and then brushing away all roller texture in 9 square foot sections until completed, and second, after the first step is dry, rolling again, and this time adding textured patterns with a brush in 9 square foot sections until completed. And if you have any questions, make sure to check us out on the web at mdcwall.com.